The Ganiza smoothie blender came just in time as my previous blender was broken last month. After using it daily for a week, I am really impressed with its performance. The build quality of the Ganiza blender is really good, although most parts are made of plastic. The body and the cups feel solid and might not be broken even when you drop them. Ganiza includes many accessories like 3 blending cups, to-go lids, lip rings, and resealable lids. It's easy to find the perfect setup for your needs. The travel lid is particularly convenient for sending smoothies or shakes with family members on the go. My wife loves taking a strawberry banana shake with her during her morning commute. It's an excellent way to pack a nutritious boost into her day. Operating the Ganiza blender is quite straightforward. Basically, you will just need to load the cup with ingredients, push and twist it onto the motor base, and the blender will start the work immediately. The blender only works when the cup is properly locked into the base. This gives peace of mind, especially for households with curious kids. Additionally, 4 non-slip silicone pads keep the blender securely in place, even on slippery countertops. The blender is equipped with a 6-blade stainless steel system that can handle a variety of ingredients, from soft fruits and leafy greens to harder items like nuts, seeds, and even ice. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, sauces, or baby food, this blender would break down ingredients into smooth, lump-free textures. While the motor is powerful, it's slightly noisy during operation. However, this is just a common trait for high-performance blenders. Cleanup is quick and hassle-free, which is a big selling point. You can easily rinse the cups and blade under water. All components, except for the motor base, are dishwasher safe, adding to its convenience. Priced competitively at just about $30, the Ganiza smoothie blender offers a lot of functionality and power for its size. If you're interested, you should definitely checking it out while it is on sale.